This CUSIMAX ceramic electric hot plate is an exceptional addition to any kitchen, providing a versatile and efficient cooking solution for a variety of settings. Whether you're in a small apartment, RV, or office, or need an extra burner for your home kitchen, this dual-control infrared cooktop is designed to meet your cooking needs. This detailed review will explore its features, performance, safety aspects, and overall value, giving you a comprehensive understanding of why the CUSIMAX hot plate stands out. The CUSIMAX ceramic electric hot plate is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for various cooking scenarios. 1. Home kitchen. Use it as an additional burner during large meal preparations or when your main stove is occupied. 2. Apartments. Ideal for small living spaces where a full-sized stove may not be practical. 3. RVs and camping. Its portability makes it perfect for cooking on the go, ensuring you can prepare meals even when away from home. 4. Office. Convenient for preparing quick meals or heating food during lunch breaks. 5. Outdoor cooking. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or an outdoor event, this hot plate provides a reliable cooking solution. The CUSIMAX ceramic electric hot plate boasts a sleek and modern design with a combination of a high-quality crystallite glass plate and a stainless steel housing. This design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen, but also ensures durability and easy maintenance. The glass plates measure 7.1 inches each, providing ample space for a variety of cookware, including glass, aluminum, and stainless steel pots and pans. The portable and compact design makes it easy to move and store, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, and outdoor cooking. The stainless steel body is built to withstand frequent use, and the ceramic glass cooktop is not only durable but also easy to clean, ensuring your cooktop looks new for years. Equipped with dual infrared burners, the CUSIMAX hot plate delivers a combined power of 1800 watts, making it capable of handling a wide range of cooking tasks efficiently. Each burner can be independently controlled, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Whether you need to warm sauces, cook pasta, grill cheese, boil water, or prepare a full meal, this hot plate can handle it all. The infrared heating technology ensures that the heat is distributed evenly across the cookware, reducing heat loss and cooking food more efficiently. This means faster cooking times and consistent results, making it a reliable choice for everyday cooking or as an extra cooking appliance during busy meal preparations. One of the standout features of the CUSIMAX hot plate is its compatibility with all types of cookware. Unlike induction cooktops that require specific types of pots and pans, this hot plate works with glass, aluminum, ceramic, stainless steel, and even works and tea kettles. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, allowing you to use your existing cookware without the need for additional purchases. Safety is a critical aspect of any kitchen appliance, and the CUSIMAX hot plate excels in this area. It includes an automatic safety shutoff function regulated by a thermostat, preventing overheating and ensuring safe operation. The cooktop also features an indicator light that cycles on and off during operation, alerting you when the surface is hot. Additionally, the hot plate requires a cool-down period after use, which is crucial for safe handling. It is recommended to wait at least 15 minutes before touching the surface or cleaning the unit. This ensures that residual heat dissipates, reducing the risk of burns or accidents. Cleaning the CUSIMAX hot plate is straightforward, thanks to its smooth ceramic glass surface. After the cooktop has cooled down, simply wipe it with a damp, soft cloth or sponge to remove any spills or residue. Avoid using harsh abrasives or steel wool pads, as these can scratch the surface and damage the unit. Regular maintenance will keep your hot plate in excellent condition, providing reliable performance for years to come. CUSIMAX stands by the quality of its products with a 30-day hassle-free return policy and an 18-month free replacement service. Additionally, all CUSIMAX products are covered by product liability insurance in the United States, providing an extra layer of assurance. Should you encounter any issues or require assistance, CUSIMAX's customer service is readily available to help resolve any concerns. Conclusion: the CUSIMAX ceramic electric hot plate is a versatile, efficient, and safe cooking appliance that meets the needs of various settings. Its sleek design, compatibility with all types of cookware, and powerful infrared burners make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The safety features, ease of cleaning, and robust customer support further enhance its appeal, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable cooking experience. Whether you're a busy professional, a student living in a dorm, an RV enthusiast, or someone who enjoys outdoor cooking, the CUSIMAX hot plate offers a convenient and efficient way to prepare delicious meals. Investing in this high-quality cooktop will undoubtedly elevate your cooking experience and provide reliable performance for years to come. If you found this review helpful and informative, please consider liking our video and commenting below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews.